Hello, good morning. 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 Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, Edric. Good morning, Kinian. Good morning, Arabia and Prashant, Abigail. Everyone, good morning.
Good morning,
The
sir.
camera, please. Joshua, good night. I mean, according to you, it's good night, but according to us, it's good morning.
Good morning,
So,
sir.
everyone, good morning, Ira. Good morning. Everyone, turn on the camera, please. Okay. So, we were doing some of the questions based on the percentage and its application. So, yeah, good morning to all. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, everyone, good morning. So, what we were doing?
So you're doing a compound interest.
Yeah, we will do some more questions. Abigail, are you getting this questions? No.
Yes, sir.
So, if you're getting this, so I'm not getting the homework.
Yeah, because I'm not doing it.
Why?
These past few days have been very busy, sir. Like, I'm trying to balance doing all 5 subjects every day and doing homework. But yeah, it's difficult.
Difficult, no?
Like not the sum, but doing 5 subjects a day plus spending time on homework is bit difficult. So I'll do it today, sir.
Okay. Betya, you're getting this compound interest?
Abi.
Huh? If you're getting this, then where's the homework?
I'll send it today. I finished it. I just need to send it. Yesterday I was at somebody's house, so came really late.
Okay. Now come to your house and give me the homework, okay? Yeah. Just on your homework.
I finished it mostly, sir. I'll send it.
Okay. Okay, so we'll do this question. At what rate per annum uh, the sum of 15,625 rupees becomes 17,576 rupees in 3 years when the interest is compounded annually. So we have to calculate it. Okay. Like the rate of 15,625 become 17,576 and in 3 years compounded annually. So will you try? Will you try? Okay,
Yes.
I'll give you 2 minutes to do it. Okay, try it. Then I will edit down the answer. Yes, that's all. You're saying something.
I put it in the chat. I'll try the question.
Okay. You didn't understand the question.
I didn't understand how to do it, sir.
Normally, like you understand the question, you understand this concept or not? I mean, my question is that.
I've understood the concept, but I've not understood like how to get the answer for the questions, I guess. I don't know. It's not able to solve it.
Okay, so where you get stuck? Basically,
I
if I will, yeah,
I write
we'll,
it.
we'll do this question. We'll do this question, and then we'll do after the next question will be the homework question which you got stuck, and then I'll tell you like where you got stuck. Then we'll solve that. First, we'll do this, and then we'll take your homework question. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
the number of times will be 3, right?
Yes. Good. Anti value will be 3.
Okay.
Like every time, guys, you have to write these things. Okay, why I'm writing this? Because it's gonna be easy for you also and for the examiner also, like how to solve. So first, write the given part. Like rate is not given, so I wrote rate equals to question. Okay, and the sum. Sum is given, so sum is always principal. So I will write it like this. Did you understand, guys? Okay, guys. Now everyone, please pay attention. Now here, basically what I did, I just wrote the values which was given in the question. Everyone please pay attention. Abigail. Okay. So now what I did, amount is given which is 17576. I wrote amount as this. Principal is given which is 15625. I wrote it like this. 1 plus rate is not given. So I wrote rate as R only. And NT value is 3. So I wrote NT as 3. Then this is in multiplication form. It will go to the left side, it become divide. So 17576 divided by 15625 is equals to 1 plus R upon 100. Okay, this is a simple thing. Now, how to solve this? Okay, guys, can you see that here it is cube is there, means power 3 is there. Yes. So basically, here the answer will be also in cube, so that the power of this and power of this can be cut. Understood what I'm trying to say? No, you didn't understand. I'm repeating again. Here the power is 3 now. So I want this and this should be in the power of 3. For example, if this is not a number and if number is like this, normally if this is not a number and a number is like this, so 8 can be written as 2 power 3 upon 4, 64 can be written as 4 power 3 is equals to 1 plus R upon 100 power 3. If I will take the power common, 2 upon 4 power common, so it will become like this, and this 3 and this 3 will cut. So in these type of question, every time the this part which is coming on the left hand side, and we know that here the power is 3, so it can be written in the form of always it will be written in the form of power of 3. We have to find it out. We have to find it out how it becomes, which number is the power of 3. So for example, if it is written like that, so we have to find it out like which this number is there. What is the cube root of that? What is the cube root of that? We have to find it out. Understood?
Sir, send the answer and got the answer, sir.
Okay, good. Did you understand, guys? No. So for finding cube root, we have to do prime factorization and we have to make the pair of 3. Did you understand, guys? No.
So after getting cube, what should we do?
Like we got till here. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to do the prime factorization of 17576. We have to do that. Prime factorization. 17576. We have to do prime factorization. And when we will do the prime factorization, we will get the pair of 3. Okay. So like I will do the 17511. Like I will do it. 17576. Okay. This is the number. Because it is going from the table of 2. So 2.
Do we have to use this method or long division method?
Long division method we can't do because it's a square formula. This is cube formula. We
Oh,
have to
okay.
cube root, not square. If it is the power of 2, then we can simply find it out with the help of square one. But we can't do it, so we have to do the prime factorization.
Okay. Thank you.
So just 14 minus 10 plus 8 simple. Okay.
Yeah. I did.
See guys, when I do the prime factorization of 17576, I got like 17576 can be written as 2 cube multiplied by 13 cube. If I will take out the commonest power, so it will become 2 into 13 cube. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay. So if I will multiply it, so it's gonna be 26 cube. Yes or no? Simeon, just round. Did you understand? So it means that 17576 can be written as 26 cube upon. Now same, we have to do the prime factorization of 15625. So if you will do it, you will get answer as 25 cube, I believe. Is equals to 1 plus r upon 100 into cube root. It will become 26 upon 25 is whole cube is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 and the whole cube and this cube will cut. Okay. So it will remain behind like this. 26 upon 25 is equals to 1 plus r upon 100 like that. Did you understand? That's wrong. If you didn't understand, please ask me, guys.
Can you explain again?
Yeah. So basically, what I did, I make the prime factorization of 17576, and I got 26 cube. Okay. So if I will do this, so I wrote instead of this number, I wrote 26 cube, and this is the 25 cube. So I wrote 25 cube. Then I take out the power 3 as a common, and here is power 3 was already there. This 3 and this 3 will cut. Remaining behind 2, so 26 upon 25 is equals to 1 plus r upon 100. Then I take LCM. So this 100 upon 100, 100 plus r upon 100. Did you understand, Siemens? Okay. Now I have to solve it.
Yes.
This is the answer. Yes, sir. Didn't understand anything? Please ask me, beta. What you didn't understand? Please.
I understood this, sir, because I saw you doing on the board.
Hmm. So you got it or not? I mean, if I will give same type of question, can you do it again?
Maybe.
Okay. No problem. Yeah, Abigail, Aina, you guys got it? Betya?
Got it, sir.
Okay, then write it down quickly. Then I will use same type of question.
Okay,
Done,
sir.
sir.
Yes, Cedric.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
By everyone is I can tell you. Quickly write it. Justin, can you tell me the question number yesterday that you get stuck?
I tried to do the 1, 2, 3, and every question I was not able to solve. I
P by P 8 point compound interest you are getting a problem, na? Or which type of question? Or compound interest. So we'll do this one. P by P 8 points. First question. That you can get an idea. Everyone write it down quickly, then I will erase it better. Quickly write it down. Quickly write it down.
Cookie.
How's Jovan? Restaurant. How's he doing?
he's good mostly. He's
Is he?
trying to finish his TMS and he's getting distracted quite often. So we're getting worried a little bit.
Oh. His TMA is not over yet. Oh. Abigail, your TMA is done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you submit it or upload it on site? Quickly do it.
Yeah. 3 I have uploaded. The other 2 I need to take pictures and upload them.
Yeah, because in the end times of 31st July, the site will get hanged. I mean, everyone will to upload it in the last time because we believe in IST, Indian stretchable time. We stretch our things and we do at the last moment. So everyone is Indian of an NIOS student. So they will try to upload on 31st July then. Then you're not able to upload it because IST.
Okay, sir. I think I'll upload it by today.
Yeah, do it, do it. Okay, done. Should I do this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now I will give you a question. Everyone will do this question. I know that it's a homework question, but still you have to do it. And only Jashan will be do on the board with you. Everyone has to do it, guys. No, nobody will sit. I know that you did it, but still we will do this. Okay, Jashan. Now, Jashan, what is the first step? You have to tell me. Okay, everyone will do their question, but you unmute your mic and tell me what is the first step. Yeah.
Calculate the compound interest on rupees 15,625 for 3 years at 4% per annum compounded annually.
Hmm. Just give me. Yeah. So, what is the first step, Jashan?
Find the principal,
What is the principal?
the rate, and the number of times.
Tell me the number. What is the principal?
15,625.
So I go 16,625. Then
Rate is 4% per annum.
perfect. Then
Since it's compounded annually, the number of times is 3.
yeah, because it is for 3 years. Yeah. Then anything else? Nothing is there. Yeah. Now what is the formula?
Formula is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power of the number of times.
Okay. Then
A is equal to 15,625 into 1 plus 4 by 100 raised to 3.
now
Now here is where I got stuck every time. I was not able to get past it.
here the denominator of 1 is 1. So for adding these 1 and 4, we have to make the denominator same. So now here it is 1 and here it is 100. For making denominator same, I need to multiply 1 with a number. What is that number?
100.
100.
So if I will multiply 100 times, then I have to multiply 100 up also. This 1 will also multiply with 100. This one is also multiplied by 100. So it's going to be like this. 100 upon 100 plus 4 upon 100 is the power of 3. Now if both the denominator are same, then it will be like this. 100 plus 4 upon 100 is the power of 3. Now what will you do?
104 by 100 raised to the power of 3. Then after that, if I got this far, I would not be able to solve it after that.
Okay. It will become 104 upon 100 to the power of 3. Now, because power is 3, so I have to multiply it by 3 times. The same number, like 2 to the power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. In the same way, it will be like 3 times. The amount is equal to 15625 into 104 into 104 into 104. Why? Because 3 times upon 100 into 100 into 100. Now I have to if they can cut with the same table, I have to cut it, simplify it, and multiplying it. Denominator multiplying the numerator, and I have to write it down. Now where you got stuck?
I
You're not
was
able.
never able to solve this area. I'd always get confused or something, not able to divide properly.
Okay, so first we will try to cut it. Okay, so I will use a red pencil. Now I know that this is also divisible by 5 and this is also divisible by 5. So I can simply divide it. If I will do it, so it will become 5, 3 is 50. Okay, then 6 will come down. Like I'm doing division. Okay, 6 will come down. 5 ones are 5 because 6 is there. No? Okay, so 5 ones are 5. 6 is there. So 1 will come out. Like 6 minus 5 is 1. And now 2 will come down. It will become 12.
3,125.
125. Perfect. And this will also divisible by 5. So it becomes 20. Understood? No. Now, what we do? Again, you have to divide it by 5 because it is divided by 5. So, at maximum, you can do it. Just do it. Okay. So, take only one number first. So, I will divide it by 5. So, tell me the number.
621.
No. Like if I will divide it 31, 6 are 30.
Six.
1 will come.
625.
Yes, 625. So, I will write 625. And this will also got it become 4. Understood? Now, this number.
You can
So-
divide both by 25, right?
Yes. So 25 is a and 25 fours are. Did you understand? No. Now again 25 ones are, 25 fours are. Now this will become 2 and this will become 52 because they are divisible by the table of 2. This will become 1 and this will become 27. Did you understand? No.
26. 26.
Okay, 26.
Can 4 go into 104 itself?
Yes, if you will divide it, you directly get 26. Because 26 fours are 104. So it means that the amount will be 26 multiplied by 26 multiplied by 26. You have to multiply it and you will get the answer. Now you got it? Now can you do it? Joshua, did you understand how we did this?
Yes, sir.
Akka, Ira, Abigail, Pritya, you got this? Now you have to multiply it and you will get the answer. But the thing is, you will get the amount. You have to find the compound interest. Did you understand, guys? No. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
So, whatever the amount you will get, like for example,
Sir,
6 multiplied by, yes,
to get compound interest, you have to minus amount minus principal, right?
very good. Good. So, you will get answer as 17576. So, amount will become principal minus principal is equals to pair. Amount minus principal. Amount 17576 minus principal is 15625. When you will solve it, you guys will get the answer. Did you understand, guys? No. Just didn't understand anything. Please ask me just now. Pakka? Okay.
Sir, I got a different answer.
You got different answers. Why?
I'm checking.
Okay, check. Yes, Abigail, where you got stuck?
I think it was some mistake in the cancelling because I got 13 into 13 into 104 divided by 5. So I did that and I got the answer as 169.
Wrong. Calculated something wrong.
Yeah, I got correct.
Okay. Abhi, don't do silly mistake. You have to learn Abhi ke Abhi.
Sir, but the 13 into 13 into 104, I got the same answer as you did.
That's correct.
But that, yeah, I got 17,576. But then I have to divide it by 5.
So you didn't cut 1 5 with the 15625. That mistake you might have done. Abhi, learn Abhi ke Abhi.
So,
Abhi ke Abhi.
You know what is Abhi in
Abhi
Hindi?
means uh,
Now.
then Kabhi,
Kabhi.
Kabhi and Sabhi.
Kabhi is when. Sabhi is all. Okay, I'm erasing this. Now I'm giving you next question. Please, guys, did you understand?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. I understood, sir.
I have a doubt in yesterday's homework.
Which question?
Question number 5. Like I think I did a silly mistake because the answer that I got and the book's answer is different.
Number 5.
Huh.
Yes, same thing. I also got I got a different answer than book.
What answer you got?
I got 9:30. The book says 6:30.
You got 9:30. The book says?
So even I got 9:30.
Yeah, 9:30 is the answer. 9:30 is the answer, not 6:30. Better you got 9:30?
Yes, I got 9:30.
No, you didn't get 9:30.
No,
Okay,
I
so
didn't.
I got 9:30. I got 9:30.
9:30 is the answer.
Yes.
Find the difference between the compound interest and the there's 10% per annum. Okay, so can you tell me, Petya, what is your compound? How much you got compound? Like when you did compound, like what is the value you got?
Which question is this?
Question number 5.
CYP 8.6.
The
Eh?
question, no? Is it not the
Wait,
8.6? Question number 5. This is the question.
okay, I did a mistake. It was question number 4. Sorry.
Question number 4. And the sum of them. Find the sum of the money which will amount to 27783 years at 5% per annum, and the interest will compound annually. Okay, so now you tell me, Bethia, what is what, and what is what? Tell me.
Principal is 27,783.
Read the question again.
Find the sum of money.
Sum of which? What is sum?
principal. Okay, I did a mistake.
Okay. So do it again and then send it to me. Then I guess we will get the correct answer.
हाँ, ठीक है. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody else? Any questions?
No, sir.
Illa?
Allow.
Okay. What is the last? Okay, we'll do one question. Yes, Jashwi.
Can you do question number 3 also from the CYP 8.6?
Okay, so I will not do it. You guys will help me. Okay, so we'll do this question. Okay, now just one help me. What is what? What is what? What? Yeah, just help me.
The principal would be 16,000. Would be 16,000.
Okay.
The rate is 20% per annum.
Yeah.
The number of times is 3, and the time is 9 months.
So NT basically become 3. But just now, the problem is the rate is 20% per annum and we are calculating quarterly. I told you in that chart, if the quarterly is there, then you have to divide it, the rate it by 4. So the rate will not be 20% anymore, but rate will become 5% per quarterly. Now you have to write it down in the formula and you have to solve it. Can you do it now? I believe that mistake you
I'll
did.
try, sir.
You didn't divide the rate by 4. You just simply take rate as 20. Yes? Yes or no? Any more question, guys? Abhi, you have questions?
No, sir, but the time dividing, we discussed that for quarterly we have to divide it by 4, right, sir?
What? Rate, no?
The time.
Time we don't have to. I told you before also. Time, we are not considering time in the compound interest. We are just simplifying the NT value. NT value will be 3. Why? Because 3 times the compound will be applied. The interest will be applied. Like first 3 months complete, then second 3 months, and then third 3 months. Total become 9 months, and in 9 months, 3 times we are applying the compound interest, na? Like interest. Na? So that is why the NT value become 3.
Okay.
Simple. We don't have to see it's 9 months or 2 months or 7 months. Simply we have to divide it basically on the NT side, and only the rate is the matters.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall I give you a question, guys?
Actually, could you do CYP 8.6 question number 4? Like I did it, but I got like a bit stuck. Like in the end, I got the answer, but I'm like not very sure. Like I got the percentage, the time, and the rate. But then when I was multiplying it together, I think I did something wrong. I'm not sure.
Okay, so what answer you got?
So I got like, I wrote the answer from the book, which is written there. But I'm not sure how they got that answer. I didn't get an answer. I didn't know what to do after like I made the mistake.
Okay. I will do it. Everyone, get ready for this question. Everyone, do it again. Sarah, you also do it again. Right now. I will also do on the board. Don't sit and watch. Just do it again. And I believe that you will get the answer. I'm also doing on the board. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Don't see the board. Just do it by yourself. I will ask the room to give one option for the seen or unseen.
Ask who?
Room. Joshua, send me the homework, please.
Yes, sir. Sent.
Cut. Oh, yes, correct.
Yeah, Ira, what mistake now you did?
So I didn't cut out 105 and 100. That's why I got stuck. I just continued with those numbers.
So even if you will not cut it out and if you will solve it, still you will get the same answer.
Not sure what I did wrong then. Like I did 105 multiplied by 105 multiplied by 105 and then multiplied by 27783.
How?
Then my answer is right for this, sir.
What?
For this question, when I asked you that my question, I got the answer right.
Mean?
On this question, I got the answer right. I thought it's wrong because in the book it's wrong.
In book, what's the answer?
Huh?
In book, what's the answer?
In book it was 6:30 or something. It was written. I don't know.
That
Written
is
different.
5. This is question number 4.
Oh, right. Sorry.
Oh,
Baki, my answer is right for this question.
okay. So basically, Ira, what mistake you did? Like 105 in the numerator, it's not in the denominator. When it will go, like the denominator will go to the left hand side, to that part, the denominator will become numerator. So this 100, like it will like this 27783 multiply by 100, multiply by 100, multiply by 100 because it is in the denominator. And this 105 will go to the denominator. And
Oh,
you solve it, then you will get the answer.
oh, okay, sir. I did
Okay. Hmm. Okay, so now your homework time. Okay, this is the homework. Ira, mention in the group, no? This is your homework.
that.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
when it comes to the cancellation, how do you know which number to cancel by? I canceled it by 3 and
Which
it's all
one?
got confused now.
This one.
Yep. Yeah.
So you can cut it by 3 also. No problem in that. See, basically, these types of questions, generally, in this stage, you will not get answer in decimal. Okay. So, like I know that 21 is there, and 21 is a factor of 7 and 3. Like 7 into 3 will become 21. So, the number which is above, okay, I believe that it will be divisible by 7 also. This 20 is not divisible by 7. This 20 is not divisible by 7. No. So, the number will be divisible by 7 itself or 3 itself. Because the answer will not, like, it won't be like you have 3 hours papers, and this question won't take 3 hours to solve. So, for making easy, they will give that type of number which is divisible. So that is why I usually do it and I got the answer. Okay, but it is generally, it's not always. Okay, so try to do it by 3 table first, and then cut it, and then go to the 7 table. Okay, then solve it.
What I did was when it reached to 3969, I divided by 3 and then I got everything went straight off.
It's okay. Just do it. Don't stop. Don't see that, sir, you are getting these number and I'm getting these number. No. You got 3969 when divided by 7. Then try it in the 3 table if you want to do it. If you will do it, then it becomes 1 3 2 3. Okay. And then you have 21 into 21 in the denominator. Then again try with the 7 or 3. You will get it. You will get the same answer. See, I am holding my nose like this or like this. I am getting the answer. No? Okay. Okay, guys. So you guys have 3 minutes break, then come back in science class. So then bye, Abhi. Bye, Simit.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, Abhi.
Bye, Edwin.
Okay. Bye, Simit. Okay, guys, come back. Everyone, come back, come back, come back. Ira, Edric, Vidya, Joshua, and Sam. Sam, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What happened? Yesterday you didn't join?
I had guest.
Oh,
Good morning, Sam.
wow. Very high pitched good morning. Okay. So, everyone, good morning. So, Sam, did you saw the class yesterday?
What?
Did you saw the class? What we learned yesterday? Did you saw that?
No.
Oh, I sent the video, na? Like when you miss the class, okay, try to just go on YouTube. We have the I used to send the link in the group. Go click the link, do it in 0.5 speed, and then when you will come for the next class, then it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So, like we have recorded session, no? Like we are recording it. So why we are recording it? Because if somebody is absent, so it won't be problematic for him or her. Okay, Sam?
Yeah.
Uh, so yesterday, basically, we learned about the 10% law. I just give a quick revision for that. 10% law, what we learned, then that the energy flow is unidirectional. It will go from producer to the first consumer, which is herbivorous, then second consumer, carnivorous, then third consumer. Like this, it will go on. And this is called a 10% law. What is 10% law? If producers are making any food which has some energy, then consumer will eat it. Like first herbivores will eat it, so they will get only 10% energy. What consumer producers are making means autotrophs are making means plants are making. So it's 10% law. Like each trophic level, only 10% energy will pass on to the next trophic level. Did you understand, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we will learn about some of the cycles which is going on uh, in the class in our atmosphere. The first cycle is carbon cycle. Now, what do you mean by carbon cycle? Can anybody tell me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So carbon cycle is a cycle in which the carbon dioxide moves around the atmosphere and move around the biosphere.
Okay. So, uh, Ira, is carbon dioxide is useful for the plant? Why they need carbon? Like, I mean, carbon cycle. Why we are learning carbon cycle? What is the use of that?
So because the plants need it.
Is it useful for plants?
Because we need to know what's in the atmosphere and what we're surrounded by.
Okay, so it means you are saying that carbon dioxide is useful for the plant. Is it true or false?
Yeah, it's true.
Okay. Okay, the sun, is it true or false? Carbon dioxide is useful for the plant.
Yes, they use it for photosynthesis, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nitya, false. Is it true or false? Carbon dioxide is useful for the plant. True or false?
True, because they take carbon dioxide and use it to make food for us. And then they give oxygen. They take carbon dioxide and then they give oxygen.
So it's correct. Like
Sir,
plastic. Yes, yes, I did.
I'll tell you the equation. So carbon dioxide plus water will give glucose plus oxygen plus water, which is 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O.
Very good. Very good. Okay, this equation is very important. Okay, if you didn't remember it, then write it down. That the 6CO2 plus 12H2O will give us C6H12O6 plus oxygen and plus water. Okay, this is very important equation. Okay, I will write it down on the board. Just in a second. Everyone, they can ask you the equation. So this is very important. Oh, what is this?
So is that 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O?
Yeah. And on the arrow, write Le. Le is basically light energy.
I think 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O gives C6H12O6 plus 6 O2 plus 6 H2O. It will
And
be 12, not 6.
H2. Mm, 6.
Sir, is it
Yeah.
6HO2 or what is that?
Yeah, 6 H2O.
Okay.
6 H2O. 6 H2O. Basically, CO2 is carbon dioxide, H2O is water, this is glucose, and this is oxygen. Sam, are you writing this? No.
I have to write notes?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, is it light energy or light and energy?
Light energy. Light energy basically sunlight. Okay. So now the carbon cycle. So we learn about the carbon cycle. Just let me read this. Joshua, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we'll read the carbon cycle. So yeah, who will? Ira, read this, please.
A carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is the biochemical cycle by which carbon is exchanged between soil, water, atmosphere, air of the earth. It is the most important cycle of the earth and allows for carbon to be recycled by all of its organisms. Figure 26.6, 29.6. It justifies the saying, what goes around comes around.
So you can see that here the atmospheric carbon dioxide is there. Atmospheric carbon dioxide, like we are releasing carbon dioxide, na? That is called as atmospheric carbon dioxide. Now, through the process of photosynthesis, plant fix that atmospheric carbon dioxide, okay, and for us, and we respire, and we releases atmospheric carbon dioxide again back. Okay, like animal, like for example, with the help of photosynthesis, plant make organic compound like dal, like gehu, like wheat. Okay, this is called as organic compound that we're gonna eat, and when we will eat it, we our animal tissues will release this atmospheric carbon dioxide. Sometimes plants died, forests died, so that it releases the coal, the deposition coal or fossil fuel, and when it is burned, then it is again releasing the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Yes, I did.
Sir, plants store their food in the form of starch.
Yeah, plants, which is basically a glucose forming.
Yes.
Glucose,
So
starch.
starch is U-shaped. It's like so many molecules of glucose, like 10 to 12 molecules of glucose. But glycogen is also 10 to 12 molecules of glucose, but it is V-shaped. So starch is U-shaped, glycogen is V-shaped. Starch is linear, glycogen is branched. Oh, both of them have so many units of glucose.
Yes, so basically, glucose is a simple form, but glycogen or starch is the complex form. That's why a fat person, it is said that don't eat rice too much because rice has starch, and that starch for the digestion needs a lot of energy, and not lot of energy. That starch basically did not digest, and it's stored in the form in our body in the form of fat. So if you're not removing the starch water, then you are basically eating the fat. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Starch
So
is fat. So starch is fat.
starch is not a fat, but it's an excessive carbohydrate, which can be considered as fat when it is stored in our body in the form of adipose tissue, basically tissue of fatty tissue, we can say. Okay, so you understood the carbon cycle, Sam? No, Sam, what are you doing, beta? Are you on the class now? Okay. So carbon cycle is very simple. Carbon dioxide is there. Plant fix that for carbon dioxide in the by the process of photosynthesis. Make food for the plant. Even plant also respire and releases carbon dioxide. So I will ask this question from Sam. When plant releases carbon dioxide?
So plants breathe oxygen like us. They are like us only, but to make food for them, to make starch, and for them they do photosynthesis, right? So when they do photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. And
Hmm.
but if they have to breathe, they use the stomata. They breathe the oxygen, let out carbon dioxide.
So basically, in the night time, because night time there is no photosynthesis, so they releases carbon dioxide.
I'll
That's
tell
why
you the
it is,
equation for that. I'll tell you the equation for that also.
yeah, that is why just let me complete. That is why it is said don't sleep
Under
under
the
the
trees at night.
because because in the night also the plant is also releasing carbon dioxide makes uh, your 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 area oxygen deficient because they are taking also oxygen for their metabolic activities. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes or no?
So the equation for the respiration is 6 C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O, the reverse.
Yeah, plus energy which is stored in the form of ATP, which is
ATP,
called as
adenosine triphosphate.
yeah. Okay. Did you understand? Yes or no, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, nitrogen cycle. So now I will ask this question, which I explained yesterday also. What do you mean by rhizobium bacteria? Petya, what do you mean by rhizobium bacteria?
Sir, I know, sir.
No, no, no. Just let me ask this question. Petya, are you there?
No.
No? Okay, then I. What do you mean by rhizobium bacteria?
What? So rhizobium is in the soil, and it
Let Ira say. Let Ira say. Yes, Ira.
It's I know it was something with rhizobium, but I forgot. Like
Uh,
that's why I was saying, no, sir.
no, let everyone. Let me ask one by one. When your turn comes, then you.
Everybody doesn't know, I think.
No, no. Yesterday only I told.
wait,
Yesterday only.
I know. Wait, like it was with the crops. Like they
Which
have.
It is in the soil and it produces nitrogen for the plant.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
it's not basically nitrogen for the plant. It's called as nitrate and nitrite. Yesterday I told you NO3 and NO2, and which is useful for the plant for the minerals deposition. And it is found in the leguminous plant. It's also called as pulses crop. And in the root nodule, the rhizobium bacteria is present for the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen in the form of nitrates and nitrites, which is usable for the plant. Did you understand this now?
So there is around 78% nitrogen, and but so nitrogen is if the nitrogen is used up by the land, we grow pea in that land, pea plant. Then
Yeah.
after that, the rhizobium increases in the soil, and then you grow the other crops. There will be enough nitrogen to sustain the plant.
Yeah. See, guys, that Venus flytrap, sorry. Did you know
Yeah,
that?
yeah, Venus flytrap. Yeah, I know.
Okay, this one, did you know that? No? Yeah,
Is
what
it
is
like that plant? That
Yeah,
plant?
It's a
yeah,
Yeah, that
plant
plant.
where insects go inside. Trap.
so basically, then let everyone tell the answer. Okay, so when I will tell you, then only give you the answer. Okay, so
It will be like this. Insect will come.
yeah, let me complete. Venus flytrap is a plant called as insectivorous. What
Yeah.
Venus flytraps just eat insects for their nitrogen fulfillment. They take insects inside. Okay, because insects are nitrogenous nutritious.
They
Okay,
have
so
more brains than us.
yeah, they are living in marshy area. So Venus flytrap basically grow in marshy area. And in marshy area, there is a problem with the nitrogen. There is no enough nitrogen in the soil.
So the insect.
So to tackle this, they eat insects so that they can fulfill their nitrogen need and they can make their food. So basically,
They are so smart.
Venus flytrap are also called as herbivorous autotrophs. No, no, heterotrophs, autotrophs. Basically, they comes in between.
Sir?
They are eating insects. Let me complete. They are eating insects for their nitrogen need, and then they make their plants with the help of autotrophs.
So, sir, because they have the chloroplast, no, so they can do photosynthesis.
They do it photosynthesis. They are making their own food, but they are eating insects also for
So that
the.
means they get food from both photosynthesis and eating insects.
So eating insect is not basically their food intake. Okay, it's not primary food intake. It's basically the nitrogen intake. The nitrogen which is needed for the plant. Did you understand? That's all. No.
Yes, sir. So they'll eat the insects only because they want nitrogen. Plants require nitrogen for their growth. That's why.
Yeah. So plants will not depend on water, but they depend on the nutrient also. I'll show you one video. Yeah, this is perfect. Example for that. Just give me a second. Okay, so I want to give credit to Jack Films, okay, for the video that I'm going
Oh
to
yeah,
show.
Zach D Films. I know this guy.
Yeah, so
My friend watches him.
When a fly lands in a Venus flytrap, it disturbs these tiny hairs on the plant's leaves. And if the fly keeps doing this, it sends a signal to the leaves that make them rapidly close. Now this traps the fly in the mouth of the plant, and the edges seal off to prevent it from escaping. Then a digestive enzyme is secreted which breaks down the fly. And after a few days, the Venus flytrap will have absorbed its nutrients. When a fly lands in
Ew, that looks so disgusting.
Yeah, but this is how they live. This is living mechanism by the plants. So we can't do anything. Okay, so basically they are not having enough a nitrogen fulfillment in their room. That's why they are doing hunting by their own. Okay. Okay. So where were we? We were in this one.
We were in the dreamland.
Okay. So the nitrogen cycle. So I request who will read? Justin will read. Yes, yes.
Nitrogen cycle. What is nitrogen cycle? Nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical cycle that describes the transformation of nitrogen and nitrogen-containing compounds in nature. Atmospheric nitrogen is the biggest source of nitrogen. Green plants absorb nitrogen in the form of nitrates and nitrites from the soil and water. Animals get nitrogen when they feed upon plants. Nitrogen is an essential component of proteins and nucleic acids in living organisms. Figure 29.7.
Just give me a second. Guys, this is your homework also, and I want everyone's homework to be done. This cycle you have to make because this is important for the examination point of view. Sam, for
I
you,
can't do the homework because I'm busy.
no, you have time. You have time. I'm not giving too much homework. Okay, so you have to do this question also. Okay, now I will explain this whole thing. Okay, so please pay attention. Don't say anything. Okay, I'm explaining each and everything. So I told you before also, please pay attention, okay, everyone, please see the board. So you can see that here it is an atmospheric nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen is there. Now this atmospheric nitrogen is basically not useful. The atmospheric nitrogen is useless. There is no need. There is no need. Okay. So some of the atmospheric nitrogen is fixed by lightning. You know, lightning happens. So when lightning happens, the nitrogen and oxygen makes bond, make of oxide of nitrogen, which is nitrogen monoxide and nitrogen dioxide.
No, it is nitric oxide, not nitrogen monoxide. NO is nitric oxide.
Nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. So basically, this is now oxide of nitrogen is formed, and with the help of rainwater, it goes to the soil and makes NO2.
Nitrates and nitrites.
Yeah. Now, here also, we know that some of the blue-green algae also do the nitrogen fixation, and the leguminous plant, which is rhizobium bacteria, also do the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Understood, guys? Okay. Some dead plants and animals also have nitrates in there. No, they basically they have urea, and that urea nitrifying bacteria are there that they also convert the urea and the ammonia into the it's all nitrate. Yes.
So the formula for urea is CH4N2O. Yes.
So these are the some bacteria, ammonifying bacteria, is called as nitrosomonas and nitrobacter, which convert the nitrogen in the compound of the like our body is made up of nitrogen also. So that can convert into the nitrates. Now the roots takes that plants, okay, and then it releases back to the atmospheric nitrogen also when it is used. Like when the food is made, when we eat, then some of the nitrogen also get released back into the atmosphere by the help of this denitrifying bacteria called as Pseudomonas or Clostridium. Guys, this cycle is very important, and a nitrogen cycle can come in the 5 marks portion. You have to make this cycle. Understood, guys? Sam, are you with me or not? Okay.
Did we make this?
Yes, you have to make it. This cycle is very important, and the next 5 steps which we learn tomorrow. Okay. Today I just give a brief introduction. Tomorrow we'll go in detail. Okay, so this nitrogen cycle is very, very important. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? So try to make it by tomorrow. Ira, please mention this in the group that carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle you have to make it in the copy in your copy. Okay.
Can I give science homework by Saturday because we have people at home? I don't think I'll be able to get it done by today.
Yeah, it's okay. So, and one more thing, the previous chapter homework, nobody sent it to me. Why?
Including the previous homework, I'm saying, because it's a lot of questions and I don't have time today.
So
Try
I
to do it. Yeah. Yes, sir.
no, sir, I sent it. It was in the group.
Okay. Okay, I'll check it out. So we'll stop our class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Bye. Have a nice day. Sunny go. Bye bye. Shabake. Tayo.
Sayonara. Sayonara.
Thank you,
Sayonara.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Sayonara.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Sayonara.
Bye.